Good morning children. Welcome to grade 3 maths recorded video. In today's recorded video, we are going to solve the exercise problem, exercise 12A, page number 178. Okay, we are going to solve exercise 12A, third problem at page number 178. So let me read the question for you. Okay, so your question is, the students of class 3, okay, I repeat the question for you. The students of class 3 were asked about how they came to school. Complete the table by filling in the number of students using each mode of transport. Okay, so how do the children come to the school? One, they will come by the school bus or private bus or by walk, or your parents will drop you using a two-wheeler. Your parents may drop you using a car, or you may come in the private van. So these are the different modes of transport you use to reach the school from your home. Okay, so here they have given the mode of transport and number of students. Okay, so let us see what is the mode of the transport given and what they have represented. Okay, yes, look here. So your mode of transport is walking, school bus, private bus, auto, two-wheeler, car and van. Okay, so two-wheeler, car and van. And your key, next you have to see the key part. What is the key given to you? The key is one human being, one doll. Okay, one doll represent you 10 students. Okay, that means if I draw one doll, that means I am representing 10 students. If I draw one doll, I represent 10 students. Okay, if it is a half doll, I represent 5 students. If it is a half doll, I represent it as a 5 students. So your key is important. So one doll is 10, half the doll is 5. Now let us see and count how many students come by walk, how many students come by school bus, how many come by private bus, auto rickshaw, two-wheeler, car and van by using the given key and watching the representing human beings or dolls. Okay, now walking, the students come by walk. It is one complete doll. That means 10 students come by walk. Okay, that means 10 students come by walk. Okay, yes. Now by school bus, how many kids come by school bus? So here one complete doll and half doll. Okay, that means this is 10, this is 10 and half doll is 5. So 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 5 is 25 students come by school bus. Okay, 25 students come by school bus. Okay, how did I get 25? Look here, there is one complete doll. So 10 plus another complete doll. 10 plus, it is a half doll, that is 5. So your answer is 25 students. So 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. Okay, yes. We move on to the students coming in the private bus. Now we have two dolls. That means this doll is 10, this doll is 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20 students come by private bus. Understood? So 20 students come by private bus. Now let us see, the students come with auto rickshaw. Okay, the students come with the auto rickshaw. So here we have 3 complete dolls. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. So 30 students. So 30 students come using the auto rickshaw. They come to school using auto rickshaw. Next, two-wheeler. Okay, so what is a two-wheeler? Key given here, one complete doll, so 10. This is half the doll, so 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15. So 15 students come to school using their two-wheeler. Okay, so using two-wheeler, 15 students come to the school. Okay, yes. And how many students come by car? there is only half the doll. So half the doll represent you 5. That is 5 students come using the car. Okay. Yes. Next is van. Okay. Next is van. So van, how many students are here? It's one doll. So it is 10. Okay. So this is today's exercise 12A, page number 178, the third one. Okay. So they have given you the activity. You need to find the number of students coming through walk, school bus, private bus, auto, two-wheeler, car and van, and this is the pictograph which is being given. Each doll, let us study the key. Each the complete doll represent you 10 students and half the doll represent you 5 students. Using this key, you need to find out these numbers. Okay, it is very easy. Using the key given, you need to find out the numbers. Walking, it is one key, one doll. So one doll represent you 10 students. Okay, understood? One doll represent you 10 students. And the next one is school bus. School bus, we have 2 complete dolls. Okay, we have 2 complete dolls and 1 half doll. So 10 plus 10 plus 5. Okay, if you cannot count directly, you can do like this and then count, so that no confusion will be there and you will not make wrong answers. Okay. So 10 plus 5. Why it is 25? Because I have 2 complete dolls. So 10 plus 10 is 20 and half the doll is 5. So 10 plus 10 plus 5 is 25. Okay. Yes. And next comes the private bus. Private bus, you have 2 complete dolls. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Okay. Next comes the auto. Auto, we have 3 complete dolls. So 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. So 30 students come using auto. Okay, 30 students come using auto. Next comes the two-wheeler. Two-wheeler, 1 complete doll, 1 half doll. 1 complete doll is 10, 1 half doll is 5. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. And next, the car. Car, you have only half doll. Half doll represent you 5. And next comes the van. Van is 1 complete doll. It represent you 10. So this is the answers. How many number of students who come using their mode of transport. So your final answer is 10 students come through walking. They come to the school through walking. Then 25 students come through school bus. 25 students come through school bus. 20 students come through private bus. 20 students come through private bus. 30 students come through auto. 30 students come through auto. 15 students, they come using two-wheeler. It can be a bike, moped, scooty, Activa, anything. Okay. So 15 students come through two-wheeler. 5 students come through car. 5 students come using the car. And 10 students, they come through van. Okay, 10 students, they come through van. So this is the pictograph. As in the previous class we discussed, pictograph is representing the given data or information using the pictures. Here the pictures what we are using is the doll. One doll represent you 10 students. Half the doll represent you 5 students. Half the doll represent you 5 students. So in today's recorded class we have done exercise 12A, third main. Okay, so this video will be coming to you on Friday. So please watch the recorded video and try to complete the portions. Those who have not understood, please watch this recorded video so that it will be better in understanding. So each recorded video, one problem will be solved in a detailed way. Okay, so any doubts is there, you can call us and ask in the next online class. So this is today's recorded video problem. Okay, yes. And before ending up the class, I will just read out the summary of the pictograph. Okay, A pictograph or a pictogram represents the data in the picture form. This is what we have discussed in the previous classes. And pictograph consists of 4 parts. What are the 4 parts? This also you had told me. Labels, titles, categories, pictures or symbols, and the key. Okay. And the title of the pictograph gives us information about what is being represented, and the key of a pictograph gives the value of each picture and symbol. So this picture or this key will give you the value of the given number. Okay, so that's all about today's class. We have done to exercise 12A, page number 178, third one. Okay, so meet you in the next online class, that is on Saturday. Thank you, kids.